This is the Tech Genie, and this is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So here's the front of the box. This is the 64 gig version too. Here's the side box, the AT&T logo. Nothing else pretty much here, just the color and so forth. Then here you got the back, it tells you what's included in the box, and then this is just some more stuff in the back. Here's where you push down to open the box. You can do it either side, doesn't matter. Then you go and turn the box towards the side and you'll see this arrow here. That's where you pull up this flap, and then it pretty much folds pretty much. Now here's a pull tab. You pull this here, and this is where your directions and quick start guide and so forth are. Here's your SIM tray removal. Here's an AT&T Get Started. This is just pretty much, once we open up, you'll see it's just basic stuff pretty much on how to plug in your phone and what the buttons do pretty much and so forth. This here is about transferring data from one phone to the other when you're switching over phones. And this is your terms and conditions and so forth. So here's another pull tab, and this lifts the phone up. Let's go and get a good look at the front. Here's the bottom, the USB-C port and the speaker and headphone jack. Okay, and then here's the side view. Still got the tape on the side, so that's why it kind of looks, but it's just the tape reflecting. Put that aside for now, and we'll go and look inside to see what else comes in this box. So here you go. You got a USB-C, it looks like, to USB adapter. Here's a fast charger, which is included in the box. Should give you the wireless for the amount you spend, but they give you at least a fast charger. Open up this box is where the headphones and the USB cable is. Yeah, nothing here really, so I'll just put that aside for now. Headphones I will open up though, so you can see what it looks. It looks like they use a little bit different material, I'm not sure, but we'll go and open up and take a quick look at it. Okay, now here's where your tips are pretty much for your earbuds. Go and unwrap this and I'll give you a good look at the headphones real quick. Seems like it's good quality because it feels like mesh and stuff on the wire. That's to help keep the wire in good shape pretty much. So, seems like they're pretty decent quality, at least as far as the build quality goes. No gold plating on the jack though, I noticed, but the wire does have that mesh stuff on it. Here you go, and then here's the earbuds themselves, AKG. So we'll go and put that aside real quick, and then we'll take a better look at the phone pretty much, which is what you guys are here to see anyway. So we'll go ahead and put that aside. Let me go ahead and remove the stickers. Here you go. Here's a fingerprint scan, which I'm glad they moved below the cameras. And pretty much it's all glass pretty much. I'm going to go remove the front sticker pretty much, and here you go. It's your SIM tray right there, and your SD card goes there. So we're going to remove this so I can show you how the tray looks. This is only a single SIM version. The international one's the only one that's dual SIM. And then your SD card's the big one, and the small one's where your SIM goes. And there's the power button right there, and we'll turn it on and give it a quick look. So go ahead and wait till this powers up. Here's the logo. Of course, the AT&T logo. You can also get these two unlocked if you want to. So you can get the unlocked international version. The unlocked international version is the one that comes with the dual SIMs. This one here is carry locked to AT&T, but if you pay it off, I'm pretty sure you can call them and request to get it unlocked. Let me go and just skip through all this stuff. I'm not really gonna set it up because I'm gonna be doing a teardown of this phone. So I'm just gonna go and skip through all this pretty much, so that way I can speed up the video and you guys are not bored by seeing me set this whole thing up, because it would take a while. This here, it's just pretty much set up fingerprints, set up accounts, everything else. Pretty much what you usually find when you go and first set up an Android phone. Some more stuff. Okay, and finally, here we go. We'll go to the main screen now. And there you go. Later on, I'll go and do a full review of this phone. Right now, I'm just doing an unboxing, so here you go. And it's pretty much the end of the unboxing video, so this concludes this video.